Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts an engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, door locks, power mirrors, outside heated power adjustable, black, manual folding, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, cruise control, electronic, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timing SVI, emissions override, federal, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, audio system, AM/FM stereo, trailering equipment, heavy duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.